Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete all your Gmail spam email at once. Without further ado, let us start with this. On this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Google account with the ability to access Gmail. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the web browser that you wish to use. We can use Firefox, Opera, Safari, Internet Explorer. But for this tutorial, we are using Google Chrome. Click on this and then make sure you are signed into your Gmail account. Once you click on Gmail, you will have to enter your credentials and then it takes you into your Gmail account where we have all the emails, primary, social, promotions, and now go to the left-hand side navigation bar where we have inbox, stored, snoozed, sent, drafts. Click on more. And now we see spam that is full of unrequired, unnecessary email, which is why it is in the spam section. Click on this and there we see all the emails that have been moved to spam and will be deleted automatically. However, we can click on delete all spam messages now. And then we see a message on screen that says confirm deleting messages. This action will affect all 78 conversations in spam. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Click on OK. And now all the spam Gmail email has been removed from the spam folder itself. Now, maybe next week, the spam folder will contain more spam email. And then we would delete as we have done today, so we can quit Google Chrome. That's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.